ahead and hit the new button to pull up a new lead window. Now I've gone ahead and I've got a business card from somebody. So let me pull that up real quick here. I've got a business card. It's an image from Danny Martinez, and I can't really select this. So traditionally what I'd have to do is I'd have to print it out. I'd have to put it up on my screen at 2 locations and type it in, look at another window. But what I can do now using something called the Form Assistant is I can simply grab an image. So in this particular case, I have an image of this business card. I'll hit the open button. It's going to take that image file, process it using optical character recognition, and utilize sort of a combination of the information that it sees and recognizes, as well as the fields that we have on the form, to try and determine where that information should reside on our record. So let's take a look and see how accurate we were. We can see that it set the topic of our lead to the company name. We've got our first name, last name. We've got our job title, business phone. We've got company information, so company, website, street, etc. Now, what I can do now that I've got this information, you see it's sort of highlighted in blue. I can accept individual pieces of information. I can also reject some of it. Additionally, I can just come up here at the top and simply accept all those suggestions. I've now entered a new lead with just a few clicks. I can save and close, or save and do additional operations, and there we are. So that's just one of the ways that we can create or enter data quickly into the system. Another way that we can enter data into the system quickly and easily is by simply instead of using an image, we can just copy and paste. I know a lot of customers that we work with end up with sort of old website form submission forms, things that look like this. You get an email with a contact form submission, and you got all this stuff in text. Now it's nice because, yeah, we have it in text, so we could copy and paste each one of these values into our form over here. But what I could simply do is simply grab all of this data, copying it, come over here, and you'll notice that we have something called smart paste. I can click on this button right here, which will, smart paste in whatever I just copied, or simply on my keyboard, I can hit Control V, which I just did. It's going to paste that text into the smart paste functionality. It's going to take a look, inspect that information, and automatically fill our form out, just like we did with the other business card.